Hello there, welcome to my channel. I personally welcome you to the first of our lecture series on financial reporting and auditing standards. I have chosen to discuss these two areas, albeit in an alternate manner, because they are closely related. Well, as we go deep into the discourse, you will get to understand how they are related. Or simply put, there is no way you can carry out a financial audit, applying the auditing standards without recourse to the financial reporting standards, because that basically forms your criteria, the criteria for reviewing documents, to ensure that they are in line with what the standard says. Now, this series will be as practical as possible, as we will be discussing practical and trending issues in accounting, as they come up in our work life. We will try as much as possible to avoid making it an academic exercise, and so we'll be avoiding anything that will lead us into academic gymnastics. Well, the target audience for this series it's meant for both accountants and non-accountants. For accountants, I actually mean people in practice. Well, I'm using the word practice here as a generic term to refer to both accountants in the industry, like chief financial officers, financial controllers, company accountants of different organizations. I am also referring to those who render accountancy services, like external auditors, tax consultants, assurance service providers within the scope of finance and financial reporting. Well, the mode of presentation of this series, I have arranged it, or because I have a team, we have arranged it in such a way that the first few lectures will be about setting the tone, setting the background, for our audience to really understand the subject matter. Okay, and then beyond that, after that, we'll now begin to go live, where we discuss trending issues as they occur, where our viewers, you, can join us live and ask us questions. Okay, and we will rub minds together and discuss on how best to manage any circumstance or any situation in line with the extant reporting standard. Now, before I dive in, let me introduce myself again. My name is Gerald Orisa Emeka Uzoma. I am a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria. I hold a higher national diploma in accounting, a bachelor's degree in finance and banking, and a master's degree in accounting. I am also a fellow of the Institute of Public Accountants of Australia, and by extension, a fellow of the Institute of Financial Accountants of London. I have about 23 years industry experience, with about 10 of them in accountancy services sector, as an external auditor, as a tax consultant. I actually began my professional career in KPMG, and as a young accountant, I was a teacher in ICANN tuition houses. ICANN tuition house actually for 10 years, where I taught financial reporting, auditing, and ethics, as a way of preparing students who were about to write the Institute final examination. So financial reporting and auditing is actually my terrain. Um, it's something I have passion for, and that's why I'm excited, to be involved in this discourse. So please, I would like you to stay tuned as we dig in. Please, if you have questions, you can actually put them in the comment section, so that in the subsequent lecture we'll answer your question. But I assure you, by the time we go live, you'll be getting instant response to your questions. Thank you very much. Now let's dive in.